Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a pre-order update and to let you all know there's a flash sale going on as of right now, and then if anybody of you want to rent a copy of this movie, or in this case buy the film on physical format of Blu-ray, link is in the description box down below. That's right, the flash sale is happening. In Search of Tomorrow is still going on, and it'll end on August 7th, which is next month, and it's gonna be shipping beginning of August 20th. So any of you dudes and dudettes, young BUCKSs, collectors out there, or young collectors that are starting, links in the description box down below. So yeah, y'all, let's take a look at here, shall we? 19 bucks to rent a digital or rent. I think it's to rent. I'm not gonna put money on $20 to rent. If you want to purchase a digital copy, sure, your choice. But here it is with the slippy dippy. Whoa. And only 37 bucks. Estimated shipping, August 20th, next month. If you want to get the poster set and the stickers, I believe, yes, sticker set and poster. This is known as the collector's edition, which comes with the Blu-ray and the slipcover with the poster stacks and the only 2 or 3 posters. Yeah, 3 posters and stickers. That's only going to be 47 bucks. So yeah, y'all. Also, I want to show you all something. If you're willing to subscribe for In Search of Darkness 3, which is the final journey into the 80s horror documentary, you got to press that and subscribe to it to make sure to notify when it's uploading. So yeah, again, links in the description box down below for this. If you want to go, press home and you can subscribe to In Search of Darkness. So yeah, y'all, I mean really, no lie, no kidding. So better get it like now, dudes and dudettes. Young BUCKS is out there, young bucks, BUCKS. So yeah, if you want to get your hands on this or this, you can get one. I mean, look at this Instagrammer, what's his name? Brown Eyes CDs. Cool. Yeah, he's got himself one hell of a collection, but nah, don't put pins on posters. That's gonna hurt the value. So like I said, folks, get your hands on this collector's edition with the posters or the stickers. If you don't want that, don't worry. Get your hands on the Blu-ray copy with the slippy. So like I said, links in the description box down below. And what I've noticed is the private signing for Brad Hartnett going on. It should have ended already, but no, looks like it's popular demands to the fan of makeup effects and Halloween fans. But like I said, links in the description box down below. So yeah, y'all, that's all there is to know about the flash sale going on. Ends on August 7th. Alright, let's be clear with the date. August 7th ends on a Sunday. And also another thing, if any of you that are subscribed to shelffactory.com, they've announced the vinyl records for Halloween's 1, 2, and 3. They're back for a limited time, and also the 1 through 5 with the vinyls and posters, except 1, 2, and 3 are composed by John Carpenter. And so yeah, first 3 will have the vinyls, the other will have poster sets and pins. But again, a little bit pricey. I ain't gonna bother pulling the trigger. If anybody's interested, it's at shoutfactory.com. I ain't gonna provide you a link. You already know where it is, shoutfactory.com. But I'll show this to you after this. So yeah, this ends on a Sunday, so better get it like now. And let's go to Shout Factory, shall we? So yeah, let's speak very clearly and truthful. Halloween 1, Halloween 2, Halloween 3, well, I'd rather call it Halloween Season of the Witch. The vinyl, the blue 4K UHD, Blu-ray, and plus vinyl is going to be about $58.99. The original Halloween is going to be around $58.99, and Halloween 2 the same price. So they're back in stock, dudes and dudettes. And 245 bucks for the set. The first 3 with the posters and the vinyls. If you want to get it separately, it's your choice. 4 and 5 are just going to have their posters. I'm going to give you a quick notification from Shop Factory. Wait. Alright, this is a notification that I got from Shop Factory. So it looks like they're back, Halloween restocks and other exclusives. Now let's take a look. Any items that are sold in the US over $50, shipping is free. So you're good. So right now, woo, look at that. 460 units available with the collection sets. 556 for Halloween 1 and 559 for the second film, and then the Season of the Witch is under 460. Whoa. And you got about 85% sold out. Right now they're still in stock. It'll be confirmed 100% if it's all sold out, so you better get it to any of you young BUCKSs out there. It's at shopfactory.com. Let's take one more look at that, the collection. Oh, yeah, very bummer. The vinyl record for Halloween Kills, $24.98, but that's gone. And woo, look at that one, y'all. It only included the pin set. Well, that was a bit pricey-ish. Very pricey on this one. I don't know, should I pull the trigger on getting a vinyl? I already got Escape from New York, but I don't have a vinyl player. I'm just going to keep it. Like NRFB. What does that stand for, young BUCKSs, dudes and dudettes of the world? NRFB stands for Never Removed from Box. That's right, y'all. To all you collectors out there, do what it's your choice. But the score that John Carpenter did, Alan Howarth, well, John Carpenter did the first score himself, then the sequels, but also only 2 and 3. But Alan Howarth was involved in co-composing with Carpenter on the second one, and then did on the third one. And Alan Howarth took the rest. And of course, you have to have other composers involved in H2O and then Resurrection. But anyway, here you go, y'all. So yeah, y'all. Links gonna be in the description box down below. If any of you guys are interested, it's there. You want to pick it up or you want to buy them separately. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid.